Brad and Geeky.
We are mourning the loss of,
The doctor that told us the,
that's what it looked like. Tractor beam. He was just like, help, then he gets stuck under, and that's it. And I've never seen anything like it before or since in the Ratchet and Clank games. And it was something that very much disturbed me when I got in the game. There, he's here again! Did you hear him?
Yeah.
Killed him, I don't know where he was though. Oh.
But email?
See?
What's going on?
Seriously, what the hell just happened to that guy? He got stuck underground. Well, he melted. Melted. I didn't see him. There is no other.
Press triangle to interrupt messages.
Okay.
Let's try it to work.
That's all.
You've acquired nanotech. Your health has improved.
Okay.
That's nice. Compared to the first one, you have like 8 what do you use?
Well, it's the same shit, really. I still have a number of
Never. That is something that eventually.
Yeah, I don't have any secret keys in my house. I heard the guy again, although I didn't see him. Ah! Oh, hello. Bye.
The dynamo activates machinery. Press circle to use the dynamo to zap that activator.
Got it. It was just sitting out in the open. Like open in the rain and stuff too. Like not even in the building.
Thank you for choosing Megacorp, where our customers come first.
Center the camera.
Chopper. It's under different names, but that particular weapon is
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, it's fun for the
Megacorp reserves the right to refuse service to anyone.
and it's good for crowds.
Yep, yep. Whoops. Aww. I just wanted to look down. Oh, I thought it was gonna be stuff. Go down. The little icon thing here.
Megacorp is pleased to announce a 3% employee discount on all Megacorp merchandise. Tax laws still apply.
I don't think I have my ball with these
At your apartment.
Right. I don't think I'll have to re-get them after this. I'll just I mean, like in next games.
Yeah. This makes sense, and it's just the same. It's like the same thing as this.
Thank you for choosing
Dynamo
Megacorp, where our
thing?
customers come first.
But there's in reality, it shouldn't be a gadget like that that you had to get.
Ratchet, come in.
Well, I
Are you
can,
there?
you know,
Copy,
sort
Mr.
of
Fizzwidget.
Listen,
see it
I have some new
person.
information on our experiment's wherewithal. The
Like
thief
it's-
was
it's-
indemnified at
your boots.
Megacorp's
You
Mactar
find the
Resort.
boots.
Well,
Also,
yeah.
the thugs have towed a moon-sized jamming array into
And
Mactar
this one
Resort
makes
orbit.
sense because I've
Should I
left them
take
in
it
my
out?
A
apartment. It's not
Fabulous.
like,
It's disconfabulating
you
our
know, it's
annual
not like I
Galactic
just don't
Gladiators
have them
broadcast.
anymore.
See for yourself.
Ask yourself, are you man enough, hero enough, insane enough to step into the ring with two of the fiercest warriors in the galaxy? If you answered yes, you're a big, fat liar. But that's okay, because Megacorp is bringing Galactic Gladiators into your home for a special Mega View event. First, it's survival of the fittest in our bio competition. Be there as Chainblade unleashes his fury on our gladiator guest contestants. Chainblade has gone undefeated in 500 straight matches, but if the bio division doesn't do it for you, our robotics division will. Taste the adrenaline as contestants face off against our four-armed bandit, the B2 Brawler. Brawler. No living creature is a match for this machine. Watch 6 tons of Carbonox alloy hunt for its prey. There's no consolation prize, cause this bad boy's programmed to show no mercy. So, what are you waiting for? Call now to bring Chainblade and the B2 Brawler into your living room. But put away the fine china. The Galactic Gladiators, only on Megaview. Call your provider now.
I mean, compared to
Chainblade, huh?
Yeah.
I've got the coordinates. Ratchet out.
Thank you for shopping at Megacorp. Please visit us again.
oh, well, that's appropriate.
Alright, thanks for watching, and we shall be in touch.